What up, fam? Top of the morning. We at the tractor right now. Early morning, trying to get a couple things fixed up. I just got this installed on it. Just to hold my lines, because I didn't have one on there. It was just zip tie. So I'm just getting it together right now. It's pretty cold. It's like 20 degrees. Amazon buy, nothing too crazy, but way better than just a zip tie to right here. It's busting turns and then my lines will go up under my fenders. So little Amazon buy, 20 bucks, not bad. I'll put the link on my bio if y'all interested. I got some more to do on the inside, about to try to customize the inside of the cab lights real quick, so I'll take y'all with. So I just got some cab lights in here, y'all. Just trying to give it some for now. I got another set that I'm gonna try to throw in if I can get these bulbs up. My CB, I just got this CB radio. I had to get an antenna for it, so. But we just waiting a couple more minutes and I'm gonna pull out. Got both of the lights sets in the truck, so we glued up, fam. Gloves look crazy. tractor out. Tight ass spot to back into. But we did it. Stop playing games. I do this. About to get loaded up. Let's do it. Let's do the deal. We outside, man. So I'm here at my drop. I see people unloading. There's a truck that just backed in up there. I'm just waiting. I'm about to go figure out where I need to be because I don't want to make a fool of myself in this place. It's my first time here. Let's figure out what's going on. I'm about to hop out, walk around, check it out, and see. Damn, bro. I ain't even record, but yes, sir. Basically had to pull forward up onto the scale all the way up forward and then back out. Shit was crazy just now, but managed to do it. So see what's going on. Backing up and I gotta pull out that way. She turns nicely, 53. Especially when you got the tandem slid all the way up. Pallets. 21 pallets. And now some work. I loaded that shit with a hand pallet. Hand pallet jack is fucking crazy. Just got that up off me. Pallets, trim coil, building material. Let's get this BOL signed. Let's get out of here.